Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to June 6th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Today we focus on environmental awareness, a reminder that even the smallest actions can make a big difference in protecting our planet. Let's explore fun, eco-friendly activities that help our families become Earth superheroes. Step 1. Start with a family discussion. Talk about why it's important to keep our air, water, and land clean. Explain how small actions, like reducing waste, saving energy, and planting trees, help our planet stay healthy. Step 2. Choose an eco-friendly activity. Plant a tree, start a small home garden, or care for a potted plant. Every plant helps create cleaner air and provides shelter for birds and insects. Step 3. Organize a mini cleanup drive. Go for a walk in your park or neighborhood and pick up litter. Teach kids to separate waste into recyclable and non-recyclable items. It's a great way to keep our surroundings clean. Step 4. Save water and electricity. Fix leaky faucets, turn off lights when not in use, and unplug devices. These small actions help conserve energy and reduce waste. Step 5. Create a family eco-pledge. Write down 5 simple eco-friendly habits your family will follow, like say no to plastic, save water and electricity, recycle and compost waste, use reusable bags and bottles, plant and protect trees, hang it where everyone can see and follow. Today's activity helps families develop environmental responsibility, teaching kids to care for nature. Encourage eco-friendly habits, reducing waste, saving energy, and recycling. Promote family bonding, working together for a shared goal. Boost outdoor learning and creativity, exploring nature in fun ways. Create a sustainable future. We only have one planet. Let's protect it, love it, and care for it. Today's small steps can lead to a greener tomorrow. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.